Hi, folks. Andrea here. Top Fitness Strategies. I am the face who runs the place. Fitness over 50. Look better. Feel better. Gain some confidence. Here we go. 2-minute health and fitness tips. Tell me you don't have time to work out. I get it. But make time. But Andrew, I don't know if I can make time or not. Here's a quick tip. And I'm not talking about a 2-hour full-blown pump and iron type workout. Do something that's going to benefit you. It's going to make your body move a little bit, maybe raise your heart rate a little bit. As soon as you get up, do something. Push-ups, jumping jacks, deep knee bends, something. Run around the block, run around your house, up and down the stairs. Got a basement, up and down the stairs for the basement. Do something for 30 to 60 seconds. Get your heart pumping right away. But Andrew, I got to have my coffee. I got to do this, blah, blah, blah. You know what? Get off of it. Either make the excuse or get something done. Now, by doing this little thing, I'm talking 30 seconds to a minute. If you want to do it longer, great, fantastic. Get the blood flowing a little bit. At first, it's going to be tough, especially if you don't do it all the time. But pretty soon, you're going to have a desire to do more and more and more, which is what it's all about. So start small if you want. If you want to go full-blown, fantastic. But I'm telling you to start small. Do something as soon as you wake up. Before your coffee, before that bagel, do something that's going to get your heart pumping. It's going to get you're feeling like even if it makes you tired, because your body's designed to move. You've been resting for whatever, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours, whatever it is, however long you rest. Now do something. It's going to get the blood flowing. Okay. Also, always check with the doctor before you do stuff like this. Again, if all you can do is get up and walk around the bed 3 times, great, fantastic. But do something to get the heart plumping. Do something to get the heart pumping. Okay. There you go. Andrew, Top Fitness Strategies, 50 over 50. Look better, feel better, gain some confidence. Until next time, ciao.